Think Glühwein only comes in red? Think again. Today we are making German white mulled wine, which is elegant, light and fruity and just as cozy as the classic. Let's make this festive twist on the holiday favorite. To make a white mulled wine, you're not only gonna need lemons and orange slices, you're also gonna need slices of 1 apple. Remember to save a few slices for garnish later. Presentation matters even if you are sipping in your PJs. In a large pot, we're gonna combine the white wine, apple juice and sugar. Give it a stir and add your fruit slices and all those cozy spices. Remember to warm it gently. We are going for steamy and comforting, not for boiling science experiment. Keep it below 78 degrees Celsius, otherwise you will wave goodbye to the alcohol and to the holiday spirit. Let me turn it off quickly. Once it's hot, cover and let it rest for about 30 minutes so the flavors can really combine. And if you like the smell of it already, hit that like button. Take out your spice infuser, strain out the fruit and serve it in your favorite heat-proof mug. Don't forget to garnish it with a fresh orange and apple slices. White mulled wine is lighter and fruitier than the red classic. If you happen to have some leftovers, very rare, but it happens, you can store them in the fridge for up to 3 days. Then reheat it gently, no boiling, remember. And now if you wonder how to make incredibly delicious red mulled wine, don't forget to watch this video next. It's better than at the Christmas market.